guys, welcome back to Skincare Sunday. Dr. L here at Revital. Last week we talked about hormonal acne and I talked about sulfur masking as a great technique the week before your period to ramp up reducing that oil production that causes us to break out. So I'm going to show you guys, because I got asked a lot of questions, how do you mask to prevent acne or to treat acne as well? So I'm going to show you guys what I do with the sulfur mask to help premenstrual week, and I do it about once a week just to kind of clear the oil out of my pores and keep my skin young and healthy. My first step to masking is double cleansing. I cleanse first with the balancing cleansing emulsion. This is a product that goes on dry skin. You can see it looks like a gel. And you rub it into your skin. What I love about this product is it removes everything. Especially my sunscreen, which is a primer, which can be a little bit hard to remove with washing alone. So I love how this product just kind of takes it into the gel, and you want to rub it into the skin. And this is also a great makeup remover product, especially if you have like waterproof mascara, which is not good for you. So you rub it into the skin, rub it into your makeup areas, any part of the skin. It is also amazing because it doesn't remove any of your natural hydration like a lot of cleansers do. So it's a great way to remove dirt, oil, makeup, everything off the skin, and then do your actual water cleanse. So after you rub in the product, then you want to rinse with water, and then it's going to turn like a white milky color. And then I actually do my second cleanse. Second cleanse is with the Gentle Cleanser, which is a blue cleanser that foams up really nice. Make sure that your skin is wet and that your hands are wet so that you get a nice foam. The foam is what emulsifies dirt and oil out of your skin. So you really want to make sure you see that before you put your cleanser on your face. That's a common mistake I see a lot with cleansing. And I know it sounds crazy that we have to kind of learn how to cleanse properly, but when you do a proper cleanse, you are starting to set the stage for healthy skin. And yes, I do get the sweat. Usually I'm actually doing this in the shower, but obviously I can't show you guys. I love to mask after working out. Before working out, I just wash my face, put on some Aox and a sunscreen if I'm going outside, which I'm usually not. But after working out, I love to mask because the pores are nice and open, lots of good blood flow to the skin. All right, so I cleansed and I moved the cleanser on my skin for about 2 minutes. So that's also important too, is the amount of time you spend applying the cleanser and massaging it into your skin to really get dirt and oil off. That is the setting for healthy skin. Why? Dirt, oil, dead skin clog our pores. If you struggle with acne, any type of acne, those are your culprits there. So cleansing properly is setting up the stage for healthy skin and acne-free skin. Now I'm going to exfoliate. And yes, I do dry my skin. You guys learned that when I talked about exfoliation. So I dry my skin before I apply my exfoliant. And my exfoliant is dual action. If you struggle with acne, this is amazing. Hormonal acne, any type of acne. And I put a pretty generous amount because I love scrubbing. All right, so on damp, dry skin, I guess, I apply it everywhere generously on my acne prone areas. I call it the eye zone because it's really like this area of the face, not so much out here. But sometimes I do get a breakout on my temple just because we kind of don't do as good of a job on our temple. So yeah, you want to move your exfoliant on your skin continuously for, again, 2 to 3 minutes. So take the time to help dislodge those dead skin cells from each other. This product also has some great acne ingredients like salicylic that are also going to treat the acne as well and dry up that oil, and not just remove dead skin and remove dirt and oil as well. Right, I'm even more wet now. I feel like I need a bib. All right, now the actual masking part. So I like to exfoliate first. You can also exfoliate after masking. I just like to remove all that dead skin, and then when I apply the sulfur mask, or the complexion clearing mask, the new name, I just feel like the skin is so fresh and all those dead skin layers are removed, and now this mask can do its job. So what does this mask do? So many things. One, it is like a sponge for oil. So it kind of almost like sponges out the oil out of your pores, which is what plays a role in acne, any type of acne. And it is also anti-inflammatory, so it helps a lot with redness. Now, sometimes removing the mask and doing your product application, you can get a little bit more red, but overall it's anti-inflammatory. This mask is also antimicrobial without being an antibiotic. The sulfur component really helps kind of reduce the amount of bacteria, and if you have any kind of fungal component to your acne, this is also great for that. So I absolutely love this product. It is also going to help spice up your pores by, again, removing that oil, decreasing inflammation. So our pores are going to be refined by this mask. So I'm pretty, again, generous with it. I do it once a week and more often premenstrual week, because that is your oiliest week because of those hormonal changes happening. And then I leave it on my skin for about 20 minutes. You can also use this product to spot treat. Let's say you have one, you're feeling it, it's starting to come to the surface, or it's on the surface. You can place it on like a dab overnight, and it just helps kind of dry it up and get it out of your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on, and then I usually actually shower it off. So while I'm in the shower, I do my body, everything, and then I rinse it off in the shower. And then when I come out, I'm actually gonna tone and then place all my products that I normally place in the morning right on the skin. So it's one extra step. It does take some time to dry. So if you're busy in the mornings, this may not be your morning thing. It may be your night thing. Sometimes I put it on and I just have like my morning coffee. I pack lunches for the kids. So I kind of incorporate it into my morning because I like to do it after my workout when my skin and my pores are nice and open. And also kind of removing all that dirt and oil like that you get when you work out. So it also helps with breakouts prone when you're exercising. All right, so remove it. Then I'm gonna do pads, but I'm gonna shower first. But that's all for masking. Before I rinse this off, I love masking as a great at-home treatment. Treatments are awesome. If you're struggling with any kind of skin issue or just aging, it's all about resetting the skin and getting it to not adapt to products. And so at-home treatments like masking or in-office treatments, of course, are a great way to reset skin and keep it working for you. If you've been on the same product for a while, you should always be changing things up. Whether it's doing a mask like this or adding a new product or increasing your pumps or being more aggressive on certain steps that you're doing, come on in and we can help you tweak your program to get better results and help you struggle less and get on the road to healthy skin. All right, that is embarrassing. That is all for Skincare Sunday. I hope you guys learned something with me about masking 101. I do this technique. There's many different ways of masking. I just find that this is the deepest masking, and I find that afterwards, I feel like I just had a treatment, like a hydrofacial or diamond glow. Not that those aren't amazing in their own way, but it does feel super smooth. The skin feels silky, it feels fresh, it feels clean, it feels like healthy. I'm absorbing my products better too. They're getting me better results as well. So it's a great way to kind of refresh, reset, clear the skin, get you on the road to healthy skin.